guess what? More mangoes. These are two that I've been seeing everywhere, so for completion, I'm going to review these as well. And I'm sure there are other mangoes available in Mexico, but I'm just going by like walking around and seeing like, okay, there's another person with that one. Okay, I'm gonna review that one now too. So this is a pineapple mango. And what I love about this one is just like how it looks. It is like yellow and green. They're all like splotchy with like the two colors. So that's really neat. And this one is something, you've probably seen this before. This is Alphonso mango. Alphonso mangoes are all around the US. I've seen these in New York City like all the time. I've had them. And I'm just reviewing it because I don't believe I've ever reviewed this mango before. I've reviewed some very common ones like the Tommy Atkins mango and stuff like that. I don't think I've ever reviewed this. So if anything, this will act as a control group to this one, which is super interesting. I know there are a lot of ways that you can peel a mango, and this is not really one of them. Ooh. These mangoes are great, by the way. They are just like so fragrant, you know, like before you even like taste it, you know it's gonna taste good. Much better than the Tommy Atkins mango, which you like cut open and it smells like pine needles. Yeah. Sweet as sugar. Well, maybe not as sweet as sugar. Let's say, like on a scale of 1 to 10, where 10's, we have to do it, I'm sorry. Where 10 is a sugar cube, this is like a 9. It's like almost sugar, okay? The texture of it is nice and, well, it's like dense and juicy. It's not very fibrous. There's like a few little fibers in there, but like not in an objectionable way. It's got like a little bit of a tartness, but not that much. Tastes like mango juice, you know, like the quintessential mango flavor is the Alphonso mango. But how does the pineapple mango stack up? If this tastes exactly like pineapples, I will be pretty excited. So the inside of this one is not quite, let me pick this up. It's not quite as orange. As you can see, this is a very, it's an orangish yellow. This is like an orangish orange. This one seems to be juicier and maybe a little bit more fibrous. It doesn't smell as much as the Alphonso, but it does have a distinct smell when you get right up to it. It smells like a mango, but like a little bit funky, like one of those funky mangoes, which for me is a great thing. I love funky mangoes. I guess you can call them like a musky mango. Okay, so there we go. Look at that. Looks delicious. That's an interesting taste. Very different. This one is fibrous, which, you know, is not usually a prized quality for them to be super fibrous, but, you know, sometimes you gotta deal with some fibers to get the delicious flavor, and this flavor is delicious. I don't know exactly how to put it though. There is a slight funk to it, maybe around the funk that you would get from a Haitian mango. Just like slightly sulfuric maybe. I don't know like how you would really describe that funk. Musky. It's got a muskiness to it. Like the muskiness that you'd get from a muscat grape or a musk melon, you know, like cantaloupe will have it. It doesn't taste like cantaloupe, no melony taste to it, but like kind of like some similar quality to it. The savory-ishness that you get from a cantaloupe is in here. It's like a little bit savory in a way, while still being very sweet. I say this is comparable in sweetness to the Alphonso. Well, Alphonso I said is like a 9 out of 10. This is maybe like an 8 or 9 out of 10. It's very liquidy. It's like I bite into it and I'm just like dripping with juice. The Alphonso, although juicy, seems to be a little bit more like intact because of how fibrous it is and how juicy it is. When you bite into it, it just like sprays juice everywhere. It does seem to have a little bit of a pineapple taste to it. It also seems to have a little bit of a coconut taste to it. This is very tropical tasting. Overall though, this is a delicious mango. I don't know if it's my favorite one that I've had in Mexico, but it's definitely like, it's close. You know, I think I like the one that I reviewed before that was like white and super funky. This one I would put like right next to that. So yeah, very, very good. I would just say, like, if you do come across this one, definitely pick it up, but you might want to wear a bib. Hey, so at the end of this video, there's going to be a preview of next week's fruit, so stay tuned for that. But first, business! I want to give a shout out to all of my Patreon supporters. Patreon is how this channel happens. So if you want to help me out by giving completely voluntary contribution to my channel, check out the link that's around me right now or in the description below. Big shout out to the channel Smarter Every Day. They help me out a lot on Patreon, so if you haven't heard of them, check them out. I also have t-shirts for sale. These are available on my website, which are also in the link below. If you don't want to give me money, subscribe, bell, like, comment, any of that stuff. Alright, thanks so much guys. Bye.